Okay, so we are discussing about चर्चा भवति अस्माकम् इदानीं संख्यावाचकशब्दानां विषये गृहाभ्यासः। एकः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः, एकः स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः, एकं नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दः, एकः वृक्षः, एका महिला, एकं फलं, द्वौ बालकौ, द्वे बालिके, द्वे फले पततः। They fall. Two fruits are falling. Dve phale patataha. But there onward, then trayah nitya bahuvachana shabda. And dve, dvau, dve, these are always dvivachana. Because dvi means dvau, when we are saying two, it can't be one, right? It can be one or three or more. Two is always two, dvivachana shabda. And this eka, ekam, sarvada, nityam, ekavachana shabda. Dvau, dve, nityam, dvivachana shabda. Similarly, trayaha, nityam, bahuvachana shabda. So, atra trayah shabdasyapi kim bhavati pullinge trayah iti rupam. Vastutah मूल शब्दः अस्ति त्रि इति, त्रि, परन्तु पुल्लिङ्गे त्रयः इति रूपं, स्त्रीलिङ्गे तिस्रः इति रूपं, नपुंसकलिङ्गे त्रीणि इति रूपं. सो त्रयः बालकाः गच्छन्ति, तिस्रः बालिकाः गच्छन्ति, देन् त्रीणि फलानि पतन्ति अथवा त्रीणि गृहाणि सन्ति, तथा वक्तुं शक्यते. अनन्तरं चतुर् इति मूलशब्दः, तस्य पुल्लिङ्गे चत्वारः इति रूपं, स्त्रीलिङ्गे चतस्रः इति रूपं, नपुंसकलिङ्गे चत्वारि इति रूपं. तदा किं भवति? चत्वारः बालकाः गच्छन्ति, चतस्रः बालिकाः आगच्छन्ति, चत्वारि फलानि पतन्ति, चत्वारि पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति. एवं प्रयोगाः भवन्ति. इदानीम् एक, द्वि, त्रि, चतुर् एतानि पदानि, एतेषां पदानां रूपाणि भिन्नानि भवन्ति पुल्लिङ्गे, नपुंसकलिङ्गे, स्त्रीलिङ्गे. परन्तु पञ्चशब्दात् परम् अथवा पञ्चशब्दः, षट्शब्दः अस्ति, तत्र लिङ्गभेदः नास्ति. सर्वेषु त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु अपि 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 इति एव रूपाणि. पञ्चबालकाः, पञ्चबालिकाः, पञ्चफलानि, समानरूपम्. ओके, देन् सिमिलर्ली 6 बालकाः, 6 फलानि, 6 बालिकाः, 7, 8, 9, 10. अनन्तरं 10 शब्दादनन्तरं 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 शब्दस्य पर्यायशब्दः अस्ति विकल्पशब्दः एकोनविंशति इति मूलशब्दः, 20 इति मूलशब्दः, परन्तु तस्य प्रयोगे कथं रूपं भवति? 20 इति, 20. So 20 from here onwards up to 90, up to 99. So all are always strilinga padani. They are always strilinga. Their lingam is always strilinga, 20 onwards. However, they can be used with as an adjective to any other word, any other linga, whether it is pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga word like balakah, balikaah, phalam. So they 20 to 99 they can be used. For example, 20 balakaah santi, 20 boys are there. 20 balakaah santi. Similarly, 30 balikaah santi. You can use any kind of lingas. 40 फलानि सन्ति 50 किं भवन्ति 50 रूप्यकाणि सन्ति रूप्यकाणि मीन्स् रुपीस् 50 रूप्यकाणि सन्ति 60 किं भवन्ति अथवा 64 कलाः कला 64 कला प्रसिद्धा अस्ति न 64 कलाः सन्ति 70 नगराणि सन्ति कैन यूज एनीथिंग so 99 up to 99 you can keep using them and then so विंशतिः onwards up to 99 they are always strilinga shabda. These all numbers are always strilinga. But now shatam, when it comes to shatam, it becomes again napunsaka-lingam. Shatam is always napunsaka-lingam. We should not use shatah or shata like that. Shatam balakaah santi, shatam रूप्यकाणि santi. So just like we यथा अस्माकं प्रयोगः भवति आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् अथवा अन्यासु भाषासु अपि we use just 100, right? We just say 100 boys, like 100 boys. Boys is plural, right? Boys is bahuvachanam, but we still use 100. So similarly, same thing similar here. Shatam balakaah, shatam balikaah means 100. We don't say hundreds here. Hundreds prayoga is also there in Angla Bhashayam api. When we say hundreds of people, hundreds of vehicles, so that is different. So that kind of usage, when we want that kind of usage is different. But when we want to exactly say the number 100 boys or 102 girls, something like that, exact number. So in that case, shatam remains shatam. एकाधिकशतं कौरवाः 101 कौरवाः एकाधिकशतं अथवा एकोत्तरशतं कौरवाः. So like that this रूपं भिन्नं न भवति. शतं सहस्रम् अयुतं लक्षं. So these remain like that. कोटिः अर्बुदम् etc. So coming back to गृहाभ्यासः कथमासीत् तत्र उत्तराणि लिखतु. 27 प्लस 9. What is 27? 27 कथं लिखामः? लेखनं कथं भवति? देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट
27
अथवा आङ्ग्लभाषा 27 9 plus 9, right? So this is 36. So किं भवति? किं वदामः? 36
षट्त्रिंशत्
50 plus 11 50 is 50 plus 11 इदानीं किं भवति?
एकषष्टिः
16 plus 25
एकचत्वारिंशत्
41
चत्वारिंशत्
no so little bit सम्यक् पठन्तु अत्र.
एकचत्वारिंशत्
1 3 so remember that 40. अनन्तरं सप्ताहस्य कति दिनानि अथवा सप्ताहे कति दिनानि उभयमपि साधु एव। सप्ताहे अथवा सप्ताहस्य कति दिनानि? सप्ताह इत्युक्ते 1 वीक्। सप्ताहे कति दिनानि सन्ति? 7 दिनानि सन्ति। So when I am writing अत्र दिनानि इति अत्र लिखितमस्ति, दिनानि इति। So उत्तरमपि दिनानि एव भवेत्। Don't write दिनाः। दिनाः, दिनानि नपुंसकलिङ्गम्। सप्ताहस्य अथवा सप्ताहे 7 दिनानि। सप्त is a separate word and दिनानि separate word. 7 दिनानि। And संवत्सरे कति मासाः सन्ति?
12 मासाः सन्ति।
सप्ताहे 12 मासाः सन्ति। संवत्सरे कति ऋतवः सन्ति?
6 ऋतवः सन्ति।
6 ऋतवः सन्ति। 6 ऋतवः सन्ति।
ऋतवः इति ऋतवः।
ऋतुः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः ऋतुः। अतः गुरुः शब्दः अस्ति, गुरुः ऋतुः। ऋतुः शब्दस्य बहुवचनरूपं किं? बहुवचनरूपं ऋतुः। अथवा गुरुः शब्दस्य रूपं किं? गुरुः
गुरवः।
गुरवः। गुरवः। तथा एव ऋतुः अपि किं भवति? ऋतवः। ऋतवः। ऋषिः अस्ति, ऋषिः ऋषयः। इदानीं कति आल्सो वी सॉ। कति अत्र कति शब्दः
How many?
कति पिपीलिका शब्दं जानन्ति सर्वे? पिपीलिकायाः कति पादाः भवन्ति? पिपीलिकायाः कति पादाः भवन्ति? पिपीलिका, पिपीलिका, what is पिपीलिका? पिपीलिका the ant.
द्विपादः। द्विपादः।
द्विना पिपीलिका। अथवा मक्षिका। मक्षिका is a fly, house fly. मक्षिका ते सर्वे कीटाः। षट्पदी 6 पादाः भवन्ति। Now, भवान् भवती सुधीर महोदय, कृपया उत्तरं ददातु, उत्तरं वदतु। भवान् कदा खादति इति प्रश्नः। So here I think last week I skipped or missed that. We just talked about reading the clock. यथा सपाद नववादनं, सपाद सप्तवादनं, पादोन सप्तवादनम् अथवा सप्तवादनं, सार्धत्रिवादनं, तथैव तत्सर्वं दृष्टम् अस्माभिः। परन्तु कदा इति प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं किं भवति? भवान् कदा खादति? अहं सपोज 10 o'clock. So किं वक्तव्यं? 10 o'clock. दशवादनम् is 10 o'clock. But कदा इत्युक्ते when. So it should be in सप्तमी विभक्ति. दशवादने, सप्तमी। अहं दशवादने खादामि. Because it is अहं। भवान् कदा खादति? अहं दशवादने खादामि. भवती कदा खादति? अहम् एकवादने खादामि। कुत्रचित् मया दृष्टं यत् किमपि लिखितमस्ति सायं प्रातः अपराह्णे मध्याह्ने, तदपि सम्यक्। इफ् यू वाण्ट् टु से आफ्टर्नून् एट्सेट्रा, यू कैन से अपराह्णे।
Prahare is right. Prahare is right.
Prahare, I don't know what is this.
Dupari.
Aparahane. Usually we use in Sanskritam aparahane. Aparahana is madhyana. Madhyana is actually noon, but after that is aparahana. Purvahana, aparahana.
Dupari.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, aparahana. Then भवान् कदा उत्तिष्ठति? उत्थानं कदा भवति? प्रातः उत्थानं भवति प्रायः सर्वेषां।
सार्धचतुर्वादनम् उत्तिष्ठति। अहं प्रातः सार्धचतुर्वादनम् उत्तिष्ठति।
So here we should not say chaturvadanam uttisthami. We should say chaturvadane. Chaturvadane. Because if you say only chaturvadanam, then that means 4 o'clock, not at 4 o'clock. So chaturvadane uttisthami. Bhavan aham chaturvadane uttisthami अथवा सार्धचतुर्वादने उत्तिष्ठामि।
सार्धचतुर्वादने
सार्धचतुर्वादने उत्तिष्ठामि। Rushti means rain. Kada bhavati. So here one is expected because this एषः ग्रहाभ्यासः समयस्य विषये अस्ति, समयस्य विषये. Do not say वृष्टिः वर्षाकाले भवति etc. वृष्टिः दिनस्य कस्मिन् समये भवति? वर्षा ऋतुः इदानीम् अस्ति, वर्षा ऋतुः इति चिन्तयतु। वर्षा ऋतौ एकं दिनमस्ति। वृष्टिः कदा भवति? वृष्टिः किमपि something you should write. There is no right or wrong answer. वृष्टिः 5 वादने भवति। वृष्टिः सपाद 5 वादने भवति। अद्य सूर्योदयः कदा भवति? पञ्चाङ्गं पश्यतु। अद्य सूर्योदयः कदा भवति? अद्य सूर्योदयः प्रातः 5:30 भवति। समथिंग किमपि लिखतु। अद्य सूर्यास्तः कदा भवति? सूर्यास्तः सायं 6:00 भवति, 7:00 भवति, सपाद 6:00 भवति। किमपि लेखनीयं तत्।
Mahoday, how do you say today's sunset was 7:34? So Chatur Adhika Sardha Saptavadane, I wasn't sure.
What is the name?
7:34 p.m. was sunset. So Chatur Adhika Sardha Saptavadane?
No, first was 34. 34 katam bhavati?
I have to go look at the table.
That's not the table. 34.
Chaturtrimshat.
So first you put Chaturtrimshat. So
okay.
Chaturtrimshat adhika saptavadane. That's it.
Oh, Chaturtrimshat adhika saptavadane.
Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
Modi, I have a question. In the timing, you're telling that it will take the Saptami Vibhakti, because the question is when. So, I mean, whenever anything related to time, whatever time is, so there will always be any of the 8 vibhaktis will always be there.
What is the last line? I did not hear that. So first part I could hear. Last
Okay.
part is
Yeah, my question is that in this particular question is we are talking about the Saptami Vibhakti when. So the question is, I mean, whenever there is anything related to time, so will it always be there that there will be any of the 8 Vibhaktis will always, I mean, is it implied?
hold on. So if somebody has understood his question, can you please repeat? No one?
Shall I mean, once again?
Yeah, I mean, so I understood the first part only. I understood kada. You're saying kada is mostly like asking when.
Yeah.
So Saptami Vibhakti. So what is the question now? So
Yeah. So the question is, I mean, there could be like a question like means what, then karta karak, karm karak, and let's say belonging, Shashti Vibhakti, then Panchami Vibhakti. So will it always be, I mean, whenever we relate to time, Tapad Ekavadane, so I mean, or something like that, so will always be having some Vibhakti in it? That is the question. I mean,
yeah.
hope I have to.
Yeah, I mean, are you asking when we answer the question kada, will there be always a Vibhakti?
No, not kada, sir. But I mean, whenever it is related to time, suppose if I want to say 1:15, that's the time. So it has to be used in a context of some sentence. So in this particular exercise, we are talking of when. So the vibhakti is Saptami Vibhakti, as you have corrected. So I mean, whenever we say with the time, so there will be some vibhakti will always be there, right? That's my question. Whether it is Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, that way.
Okay. So your voice is cutting. So, but I'll answer what I heard and understood. So, kada, yeah, the answer to the kada with respect to time. So we answer like, for example, we all saw that the Vrishti kada bhavati panchavadane bhavati. So vadane saptami. If there is any other question, suppose you are asking about Dvitiya, something I heard Dvitiya, Tritiya, etc. So the question for Tritiya would be something like Kena. Kena khadati. Bhavan Kena khadati. Aham Kena chamasena khadami. Aham अथवा भवान केन भोजनम खादति अहम हस्तेन भोजनम खादामि. So there the Tritiya Vibhakti comes when we are asking kena. So for every question, the answer, I mean, obviously in Sanskrit language every word must have a vibhakti, whether it is Prathama, Ditya, doesn't matter. Every word, including kada also, every word must have a vibhakti. Every word means namapadam. Every noun, it should be one of the 8 vibhaktis, or sorry, 7 vibhaktis, sambodhana, including sambodhana. So without vibhakti, namapadam.
But my question was with respect to time. When the time is involved, suppose I have to say at 1:15. Now in this particular case, we are using Saptami Vibhakti. So I mean, in general sentence, there will always be vibhakti that we have understood and learned. But when it relates to time, because in this particular case, you have corrected that aham, for example, the first question, bhavan kada khadati. So I said that aham saped ek vadane bhojanam khadami. So it's Saptami Vibhakti.
Yeah.
So I mean, if I have to say something at 1:15, can I mean, use any of the other 6 vibhaktis, Prathama or Dvitiya, Tritiya?
No, because kada means when, right? When kada means we are always replying as at. I am eating at 2:15.
Right. Right.
So when I say at, whether it is 2:15, 2:20, 2:34, 2:33 and half, it doesn't matter. So it is always at. Whenever it is at, it's always saptami. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So aham sapada ekavadane khadami. Aham चतुर्त्रिंशत्यधिकसप्तवादने खादामि. अहं त्रयस्त्रिंशत्यधिक-अष्टवादने खादामि. 8:33. So वादने
Sir, I
वादने.
got a doubt. I got a doubt, sir.
Yeah. So this.
If I want to say before AM, can I say Purva Saptavadane?
Purva
Saptavadane. Before 7 AM. Purva.
No.
Purva Prata Saptavadane.
Hold on. Well, let's not mix the things. So is this clear to everybody? Like vadane at. I think that should be straightforward. So there more than.
Yes, sir. That's clear.
Yeah. So vadane. So the thing is that vadane. When we say ekavadane, if we look at the last week's class, I'll open it again on. So remember that this is always a single word. Even that what Bhagini was saying 7:34. Suryastaha 7:34 vadane bhavati. So 7:34, what did we say? Chaturtrinshatyadhika sapta. That is a vadanam. Chaturstrinshatyadhika-saptavadanam. So, what do we write? Chaturtrinshatyadhika sapta. Saptavadane. Saptavadane. Note that this is the whole thing is a single word. You are not going to break it here. Sapta separate and vadane separate. When you are saying vadanam or vadane, the whole thing is one word with the whatever number is there before. Sampurnam ekapadam eva. So how whatever long it is. Navanavatyathika ekavadanam, whatever it is. Ekavadanam or vadane, it is single word. So when it becomes vadanam, then it is ekavachana. Idanim kaha samayah, idanim ekavadanam. That is prathama vibhakti. But kada khadati, kada uttishtati, panchavadane. Then the panchavadane is at 5 o'clock. Panchavadane. But it's always a single word. Panchavadane, they are not separate words. Panchavadane. Okay? Okay. I guess it is okay.
Can I come to my doubts? No, sir. Can I come to my doubts?
Yeah. So,
sir, if I want to say before 7 AM, can I say Pratha Purva Saptavadane?
No. Saptavadanat Purvam. Saptavadanat, that comes Panchami. Saptavadanat
Vadana.
Ataha Saptavadanat
Purvam.
Vadanat.
Saptavadana Purvam.
Yeah, Purvam. Saptavadanat Purvam. Ekavadanat Purvam. Kadami.
And where I will add Pratha?
Pratah you should add before, right? Starting. Pratah.
Before that.
Pratah saptavadanat purvam.
Like that, after 7 a.m. Saptavadana param.
Yeah, param, anantaram, both are fine. Saptavadanat param, saptavadanat anantaram.
Okay. Saptavadanat param.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, why are we using Panchami Vibhakti in this case?
Why? I don't know.
How is it relevant? Panchami Vibhakti, we use it in relation to something from, separation or something like that.
Yes. So that is what. So we should know that when we say from, that's a very good question. So for Ditya Vibhakti we said what? Or kim iti prashna. Tritiya Vibhakti prashna kena, or by what. So this is what the roles we have seen, right, in general. But these are remember that these usages of the Vibhaktis are only the sum of the usages. Right? When we say from, separation, that is only one of the usages of Panchami Vibhakti. When we say kena, by, that is only one of the usages of Tritiya Vibhakti. There are other usages also for Tritiya Vibhakti or Panchami or Shakti, for any Vibhakti, Chaturthi or anything. So the roles generally in the table we have seen, they are just the commonly used or high level, you can say, one of the usages of those Vibhaktis. Similarly, like this, Panchami has multiple usages. Right? So that's one of the things we are going to see today. On Panchami Vibhakti, more on that. So this one we came up now. Pratah saptavadanat purvam uttisthami. What is that?
Okay.
Okay. So today's अद्यतन विषयः कुतः समीपतः दूरतः इति विषयः चिन्तितः. This is what I have thought about. Let's see how far you can cover. Actually, I should have listened to your suggestion to take off today. I am also tired. Whole day I went out. I'm tired, so I would just try to finish it early. कुतः समीपतः दूरतः अन्तः बहिः अद्यतन श्वस्तन अपेक्षया. These are some of the topics we can cover.
Sir, Adyatana means what today?
We are covering that today.
Okay.
So we know Adya Shvaha already, so we'll cover the other things also. So Panchami Vibhakti, so Etasya Abhyasah Purvam Jatah. So we have already looked at the top part, right? So where is my pencil? This part, these two things we have seen, like Vimanam Kasmat Nirgachati. Vimanam Kasmat Nirgachati. From where? Separation we have seen. Athava Nadi Kasmat Pravahati. Nadi Parvatat Pravahati. So the separation we have seen. Similarly, Vimanam Nagarat Nirgachati. Balika Katyaha Uttishtati. Balika Shayyayaha Uttishtati. So that we have seen. She is getting up from. This is from. Rising from the bed. So if all of you can mute your phones, please. Your lines. So there is some echo somewhere. There is Suresh Mahoday, I tried your other plugin you suggested. It's not much helpful. Not now, but in my work also I tried. Anyway. Balika kasyaha uttishtati, balika shayyayaha uttishtati. Now, there is another use. Eka anyah. Eka anyat prayojanam idanim. Panchame bhakti prayogaha. How is it used? Udaharanam. Mushakaha kasmat bibheti. Bibheti etat nutana padam asti. Bibheti means is scared. It fears. Mushakaha kasmat bibheti. Mushakaha marjarat bibheti. Here there is no separation as such. I mean, in mentally or in your mind, you may be running away, or whatever is scared, that may be running away. So that kind of separation is there, or away, moving away, action is there. But here there is wherever there is a bibheti or bhayam bhavati, bhayam, kasmat bhayam bhavati, vyagrat bhayam bhavati. So wherever there is a scare, bhayam shabdaha, or equivalent, samanarthaka bhayam, padasya samanarthaka padani yada bhavanti, tada kim bhavati? Panchame bhakti. Mushakaha marjarat bibheti. Athava harinaha simhat bibheti. So like that we can use. Athava harinasya simhat bhayam bhavati. So if you want to keep bibheti away, actually this is a complicated word. So if you want to say bhayam bhavati, you can say bhayam bhavati. Harinasya, then it doesn't remain harinaha. Harinaha is deer. Harinasya bhayam kasmat bhavati, harinasya bhayam simhat bhavati, vyaghat bhavati. So remember that. So from which the bhayam, the fright happens, there the Panchami Bhakti is applied, Marjara. This is another use of Panchami. So just remember that. So similarly we saw today other use, Saptavadanat Purvam. There are some exercises here that it is nothing but just what is the Panchami Bhakti of these individual words. Udaharanam matra ekam udaharanam pashyamaha. Let's say Shashtham udaharanam matra. So who wants to read it? Kaha patitum ichchati? Astu Suresh Mahoday. Vanara. Nasti?
Sure, sorry. Somehow today that it mandated the download of some app, and this app is acting very slow. So, sorry, what you want me to read that? Vanaraha?
Vanaraha -- vruksham gacchati. So this is the. So in the rikta sthanam asti atra rikta sthanani puretu. Rikta means blank. Rikta sthane vrukshaha padasya panchame vibhakti rupam kim? Vrukshaha.
Just check the table. It is something I don't remember.
No. Why table? Just now we talked about the marjarat, right? Mushakaha marjarat bibheti.
Okay. So Vanaraha vrukshat vruksham gacchati.
So tasya artha kaha Vanaraha vrukshat. From one vruksha ekasmin vrukshe asti तस्मात् वृक्षात् अन्यं वृक्षं गच्छति. वृक्षात् वृक्षं, फ्रॉम ट्री टू ट्री. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग. तथैव अत्र एकम् उदाहरणमस्ति भयस्य उदाहरणं. भयं कुत्र बिभेति? सेम्, बिभेति. व्याघ्रः शृगालः बिभेति. सो व्हाट शुड बी द उत्तरं किं भवति? अत्र व्याघ्र पदस्य पंचमी विभक्तिरूपम्.
व्याघ्रात् शृगालः भयं भवति.
बिभेति. व्याघ्रात् शृगालः बिभेति. Vibheti. Vibheti means it hears. Like gacchati, like that, vibheti. So now, a little bit moving forward. So this, etadapi, esha vishayapi, panchame vibhakti, sambandha vishaya asti. Similar, somewhat related to panchame vibhakti. That's why we are reading it now. Kutaha durataha samipataha. So kutaha, remember kutaha means from where. From where. There are other meanings for kutaha also, but right now we are studying one meaning of kutaha. Kutaha means from where. Durataha, from a distance. Samipataha, from proximity. So basically this taha indicates Panchami Vibhakti. Kutaha, Durata, Samipata. So let's look at some examples. So Kripaya Prathama Vakyam Patatu. So who wants to read it? Was Karta Mahodaya? We'll start with Karta Mahodaya.
Yeah. Kamala Kutaha Agachadi. Kamala Karyalayat Agachadi.
So Atra Pashatu. Kamala Kutaha Agachati. Kutaha means from where? From where? Kutaha means from some place. Kamala Kutaha Agachati. That is the question. Uttaram asti. Kamala Karyalayataha Agachati. So we could have said Karyalayat Agachati. That we have already studied. Tasya Abhyasa Abhavat Tasmakam. Nadi Parvatat Pravati Aham Gruhat Agachami. Ramah Vanat Punaragachati. So those things we have studied. Atra kim bhavati Kamala Karyalayat Agachati. Tatapi Vaktum Shaknumah. Parantu idanim Kamala Karyalayataha. Instead of Karyalayat, we are saying Karyalayataha Agachati. So Kamala Karyalayataha. This is another Vikalpa Rupam. Karyalayat iti vaktam shakyate. Parantu Karyalayataha is a Sulabha Rupam asti.
That is Prathama Vibhakti?
No. This is a Panchami. This actually becomes, it's not a Vibhakti. Vibhakti asti. Parantu atra Panchami Vibhakti Artha asti. Parantu etat Avyayam. When we add Taha, it becomes Avyayam. Karyalayataha. Anything to any Namapadam we can add Taha. For example, Dvitiyam Vakyam asti Umeshaha Vidyalayataha Granthalayam Gacchati. So here Vidyalayataha means from Vidyalaya. Vidyalayat iti arthaha. Parantu when we add Taha to Vidyalaya, Vidyalaya is Mulapadam. Right? Vidyalaya is Mulapadam. To that you just add Taha. So what happens now? That becomes Avyayam, but Arthaha Bhavati from. Panchami Vibhakti Artha. Umeshaha Vidyalayataha Granthalayam Gacchati. From Vidyalaya, he goes to library. Vidyalayataha Granthalayam. So similarly, this Taha, you can add to any Nama Padam actually. For example, Karyalayataha, Vidyalayataha, these are okay. So this is कार्यालयपदं पुल्लिङ्गपदं, विद्यालयपदं पुल्लिङ्गपदं, परन्तु तः इति भागः अस्ति, तत्र तस्य योजनं कुत्रापि कर्तुं शक्यते। यथा स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम् अस्ति, स्त्रीलिङ्गपदं किं, शाला, पाठशाला अस्ति, पाठशाला, रैट्। सो उमेशः पाठशालातः ग्रन्थालयम् आगच्छति। सो वाट् एवर् इस् मूलपदम् अस्ति तत् अत्र भवतु, मूलपदं पाठशाला।
Sir, will it be totally wrong if we use this karyalayat instead of karyalaya? By mistake, suppose we are using karyalayat, is it totally wrong?
Karyalay, what is the question? Karyalayat?
No, suppose we are using by mistake instead of karyalayatah, we are using karyalayat. Can we consider it as a totally wrong?
You are using what? Karyalayat.
In case we happen to use karyalayat.
What do you mean? No visarga? No visarga you mean?
No. What I was asking, instead of karyalayatah, we are by mistake using in a sentence karyalayat. Will it be wrong?
What is karyalayat?
Karyalayat is another Panjami vibhakti form.
Oh, karyalayat. Okay, karyalayat you mean, right?
Yeah. Alternatively, can we use that also? I am asking you.
Yes, both are correct.
Okay.
Disturbances too much.
Disturbances from where?
Just too much. We are unable to hear anything.
Devi joins it from there. Okay, mute. Okay. Yeah, karyalayat or karyalayatah, both are correct. Both are same. Karyalayat or karyalayatah.
Okay. Okay.
Not stick.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so gruhatah. So here gruham is again the gruham is napumsakalinga shabdah gruha. So you can also say gruhat or gruhatah. Gruhatah bhavati kutra gacchati or gruhat bhavati kutra gacchati. Samana artha. Now you can also add duratah samipatah also. Duratah from a distance. Or Rameshah duratah ashokam avhayati. From a distance he calls Ashoka. Avhayati. Rameshah duratah ashokam. It's Parvatasya samipatah शब्दः आगच्छति. शब्दः कुतः आगच्छति इति प्रश्नः. शब्दः कुतः आगच्छति? शब्दः पर्वतस्य समीपतः आगच्छति इति उत्तरम्.
Here what is Ashokam?
Ashoka is a nama, kasachit nama. Ashoka is somebody's name.
Oh, see.
Rameshah
Duratah.
There
we have to use Didiya.
Yeah, Avhana. When you are calling somebody to Ditya, that is a old topic. Ditya.
Okay.
Dvitiya is used for because it is ahvayati. Ramesha is calling. Even if Durata is not there, you have to use Ashokam because it is ahvayati, right? Ahvayati is a sakarmaka kriyapadam. Ramesha Ashokam ahvayati. Okay? Mahoday.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So Durata is just additional there. From how it's calling from far, so just Durata.
Yeah, supposing we have a word like Parvataha, so it will, does it become Parvatataha or?
Yes, Parvatataha.
Okay. So basically we remove the Visarga and put Taha.
Not necessarily. Only it is if you are talking about Pullinga. Pullinga Shabda is Astichet, Visarga, whatever is Moola Shabda. Moola Shabda Pullinge Lata Astichet अथवा पाठशाला इदानीं वयं दृष्टवन्तः पाठशालातः आगच्छति बालिका.
So if it is Ukarant or Ikarant Srilinga Shabda like Nadi, does it become Naditaha or Nadati?
Naditaha.
Naditaha. And if it's like Guru. Okay.
Yeah. Whatever is the Pratipadikam or Moola Shabda asti, tadanantaram taha, kurutaha. Okay. That's Sulabam iti manne. Then what do we have next? Antaha bahihi. Antaha means inside, bahihi outside. There is some conversation given here. So, yeah, two people want to read this. Antaha bahihi.
Can I read?
Yeah.
Can I read?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be the other person.
एतत् कस्य भवनं मार्गदर्शकः एतत्
राज्याध्यक्षः भवनं
मार्गदर्शकः एतत् राष्ट्राध्यक्षस्य भवनं.
Lakshmikant Mahoday, you read this Paryataka line and Suresh Mahoday will read Margadarshaka line.
Okay. भवनात् पर्यटकः भवनात् बहिः के तिष्ठन्ति.
भवनात् बहिः आरक्षकाः तिष्ठन्ति.
आरक्षकाः किं कुर्वन्ति?
आरक्षकाः इतस्ततः चलन्ति. ते भवनस्य रक्षणं कुर्वन्ति.
भवनस्य अन्तः के जनाः सन्ति?
भवनस्य अन्तः राष्ट्रस्य अध्यक्षः वसति. तस्य कुटुम्बजनाः अपि अन्तः वसन्ति.
भवनात् बहिः तेषां वाहनानि सन्ति.
भवनात् बहिः सचिवानां वाहनानि सन्ति.
So धन्यवादः. गुड. So अत्र किं भवति? राष्ट्राध्यक्ष एतत् सर्वाणि पदानि सन्ति, परन्तु मुख्यविषयः अत्र भवनात् बहिः के तिष्ठन्ति. So note that yatra bahihi, wherever bahihi comes, then there is a panchami again. Okay? And where there is antaha, then where there is a shashti vibhakti. Bhavanasya antaha. Yatha shashti vibhakti kada asit? Puratah. So smarane asti iti chintayami, right? We all remember. Puratah, prushtatah, adhah, upari. So tatra kim bhavati? Vamatah, dakshinatah, shashti vibhakti. Mama पुरतः अथवा मम गृहस्य पुरतः किमस्ति, वृक्षः अस्ति, मम गृहस्य पृष्ठतः शाला अस्ति. So something you want to say, पुरतः पृष्ठतः, they all put take षष्ठी विभक्ति with other word. उत्पीठिकायाः अधः किमस्ति, दीपः, उपरि, उत्पीठिकायाः उपरि दीपः अस्ति. So तथा प्रयोगः भवति. तथैव अत्र अन्तः पदं, यत्र अन्तः पदं, where there is a अन्तः, then with the other word we have षष्ठी. भवनस्य अन्तः, नगरस्य अन्तः, वाहनस्य अन्तः, like that. पाठशालायाः अन्तः. तथैव यत्र बहिः पदम् अस्ति, then we have पंचमी. भवनात् बहिः, not भवनस्य बहिः. भवनात् बहिः आरक्षकाः तिष्ठन्ति. तत्र प्रश्नः अस्ति, भवनात् बहिः के तिष्ठन्ति? भवनात् बहिः आरक्षकाः तिष्ठन्ति. आरक्षकाः किं कुर्वन्ति? आरक्षकाः इतस्ततः चलन्ति. न, इतस्ततः इति नूतनशब्दः. That's why it is marked here. Itastatah. Itastatah means here and there, because they are moving like this, right? Here and there. Arakshakaah, this rakshaka bhataah bhavanti. Te katham chalanti. Te itastatah chalanti. Means here and they go. It's not a set order. They just move around there. Itastatah. That is the word for.
Here bhavanam bahi arakshakaah tiष्ठन्ति also will work, no?
No, bhavanat bahi. Bhavanam bahi. Bhavanat bahi.
Bhavanam is panchami vibhakti.
No, bhavanat panchami.
Oh, sorry.
भवनात् बहिः आरक्षकाः तिष्ठन्ति. किं कुर्वन्ति? इतस्ततः चलन्ति. They just move here and there. ते भवनस्य रक्षणं कुर्वन्ति. That's okay. Then भवनस्य अन्तः. So this is just to highlight the षष्ठी for अन्तः. So note again, just स्मरणे भवतु किम् अन्ते and अन्तः. There are two sometimes confusing. Antah means inside. Antah is inside. Ante is at the end. At the end. किं भवति? मार्गस्य अन्ते अथवा पठनस्य अन्ते सुखं भवति. मार्गस्य अन्ते आपणः अस्ति. That ante is at the end. Antah is inside. भवनस्य अन्तः जनाः सन्ति. भवनस्य अन्तः अध्यक्षः वसति. तस्य कुटुम्बजनाः अपि अन्तः वसन्ति. भवनात् बहिः. This is just a repetition to repeat and practice bahihi and antah. So one example we can do here. So प्रकोष्ठस्य dash dash जनाः सन्ति. अन्तः और बहिः. It could be both.
Antah.
Right? Antah.
Antah.
Yes. Antah. Okay. Antah. Fine. This one ग्रन्थालयस्य dash dash पुस्तकानि सन्ति.
अन्तः.
अन्तः. धन्यवादः. इदानीम् अग्रिमम् स्तोत्रमासीत् अस्माकम्. Let's do one more. Adyatana Shvastana and we'll stop. Where is Adyatana Shvastana? Prashta Sankhya 98. Send it. अद्यतन श्वस्तन। तो अद्य कः वासरः? अद्य कः वासरः भारतदेशे?
अद्य शनिवासरः।
श्वः कः वासरः?
रविवासरः।
श्वः रविवासरः। तो वयम् इदानीं जानीमः अद्य इति पदस्य अर्थः कः इति, अनन्तरं श्वः इति पदस्य अर्थः। इदानीम् इफ् यु एड तन, अद्यतन and श्वस्तन, so this third part, tana part is just added to adya and shwaha. So shwaha plus tana becomes shwastana. It is sandhi asti atra, sandhi. So shwastana, adyatana and shwastana. So what happens now? Let's take an example. Ramaprasad Mahodaya, Patitam Shaknoti Idanim?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, can you read?
Yeah. Maheshah Putri Late Idanim Bhavati Kim Karoti. Somebody else will read, I will want to continue.
Just read, yeah.
Pitah Idanim Aham Doordarshanam Pashyami. Maheshah Doordarshane Idanim Kim Prachalati Lata. Doordarshane Adyatanavartah कार्यक्रमः प्रचलति। महेशः वार्ताः श्रोतुं न इच्छामि। श्वस्तनकार्यक्रमः कः अस्ति? लता। श्वस्तनकार्यक्रमः वीणावादनं भवति। महेशः अहम् अद्य वार्ताः न शृणोमि। श्वः वीणावादनं शृणोमि।
So did you get some understanding of what is going on, what they are talking?
Yeah.
From first three lines, first Prathama, first three lines, very easy. So, right? Maheshah Putri Late, it is Sambodhanam. Idanim Bhavati Kim Karoti Lata. Pitah is again Sambodhanam. Pitah. Hey Pitah. Hey Rama, like saying Hey Rama. Pitah is a Sambodhanam Rupam. Don't consider this as like Rama. Pitah is like Rama, right? Pitah.
Yeah.
Pita is like Prathama Vibhakti, but in Sambodhanam it becomes Pitaha. So, Pitaha, Idanim Aham Doordarshanam Pashyami. Maheshah Vadati. Doordarshana Idanim Kim Prachalati? Prachalati means what's going on now. Lata. Doordarshane Adyatana Vartaha. Adyatana means today's.
Current.
No, not current. Today's. Adya means today. Adya means today, Shwaha is tomorrow. So you add Tana, it becomes today's and tomorrow's. Doordarshane Adyatana Vartaha means today's news. Karakramah Prachalati. Again, Atra Pashatu. Adyatana Varta iti Ekam Padam. So, though it is shown here as broken here, just like Vadanam, Ekadasha Vadanam Bhavati Ekam Padam. Similarly, Adyatana Vartaha iti एकं पदम् अद्यतन इति भिन्नपदं वार्ता इति भिन्नपदं नास्ति एकं पदम् अद्यतनवार्ताः कार्यक्रमः प्रचलति दूरदर्शने अद्यतनवार्ताः इति कार्यक्रमः प्रचलति तो इदानीं महेशः किं वदति वार्ताः श्रोतुं न इच्छामि इदानीं श्वस्तनकार्यक्रमः पुनः श्वस्तन इति एक कार्यक्रमः इति एकं पदमेव श्वस्तनकार्यक्रमः कः अस्ति श्वस्तनकार्यक्रमः वीणावादनम् अस्ति सो दिस् इस् द summary or the gist what adyatana shvastana there is nothing complicated shvastana
So what will be the meaning of shvastana karyakramah?
Tomorrow's program.
Tomorrow's.
So actually वस्तुतः किं भवति अद्यतन श्वस्तन इति भिन्नपदानि अपि भवितुमर्हन्ति भिन्नपदानि अपि भवन्ति यथा अद्यतन बट दे बिकम एडजेक्टिव्स विशेषणानि भवन्ति सो नौ यू नो द विशेषण कथं भवति यथा विशेष्यपदस्य लिंगं रूपं वचनं भवन्ति तथैव विशेषणपदस्य अपि लिंगं वचनं रूपं विभक्ति भवति सो अद्यतन इफ इट इज टू बी सेपरेटेड इदानीम् अत्र किम् अस्ति अद्यतन कुत्र अद्यतनवार्ताः इति अस्ति सो इफ यू वांट टू सेपरेट अद्यतन तथा अनन्तरं वार्ताः
मागे पुढे गेला
So if there is something going on in the background, please mute yourself. In your house or anything. Doordarshane, Adyatana Vartaha is what? Adyatana Vartaha, if we can separate, then that Visheshana Vishesha Bhava atva Niyamaha atra agacchati. Kim Vartaha iti padasya lingam kim? मूलपदं किं भवति वार्ताः
पुल्लिङ्ग
वार्ताः मूलपदमस्ति वार्ता
वार्ता वार्ता
what is the lingam of वार्ता स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम् इदानीं वार्ता इति स्त्रीलिङ्ग बहुवचनरूपं so this also should become Strilinga Bahuvachana Rupam. So that is why it is, what is the Strilinga Bahuvachana, what is the Pullinga Bahuvachana, that instead of thinking about it, you just make it one word. So if you make it one word, there is no need to think about whether the next word is Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga, Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, Dvivachana, and etc. No need to think. Just make it a single word. अद्यतन वार्ताः श्वस्तन वार्ताः इति रूपाणि भवन्ति so that is simple दूरदर्शने अद्यतन वार्ताः so the single word means today's news and श्वस्तन कार्यक्रम tomorrow's program okay
can you also tell me the word for yesterday's
I was just going to ask that Hyastana, right, Mahoday?
Hestana.
Yesterday's.
Yes, Hestana. So you just add Tana there. So, for example, where is my writing? Heha is the yesterday. Right? So add Tana. Then just like Shoha plus Tana, Heha plus Tana becomes Hestana. Okay. Hestana Vartaha. Hestana Bhojanam. Hestana Karakramaha. So I would like to stop here today.
You would like to download last times and this time? We would like to download last class and this class presentation.
Hold on one sec.
I think today's topic is